In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to disable auto-linking of URLs in the comments. Auto-linking URLs in comments can be exploited by spammers to insert links to their websites. Disabling auto-linking can help reduce the likelihood of automated spam comments with promotional or malicious links. As you can see, this is my WordPress website. Here in the comments, if I enter the URL, it automatically converts into the clickable link when posted. Instead of that, I want to display the URL as plain text. This can help prevent spam or unwanted links in comments and give you greater control over the content displayed on your website. To do so, move to the dashboard, hover over Appearance, and click on the Theme File Editor. Now go to Theme Functions. Scroll down, and here we need to add code. Before entering the code, make sure you have a backup of your website. I'm entering the code here. You can copy it from the description. This code will not make the URL posted in comments clickable. Once done, click on Update File. Now let's move back and refresh the page. Let's try adding a URL in the comment section. When added, you can see that it does not further get converted to a clickable link, and instead it gets displayed as a plain text. Now, you can also learn how to link to external links in post titles in WordPress, and we have a video where you can learn that. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. And this is how easy it is to disable auto-linking of URLs in comments. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.